Waterproof LED strip lights are a versatile lighting solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors. These lights are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and can be safely used in areas exposed to water, such as swimming pools, fountains, and outdoor landscapes. There are many products available to choose from. Waterproof LED strip lights reviews. I have compiled a list of reputed brands and done a lot of research. People will see your choice and find the products very helpful. To help you make an informed decision on various features, the right products with different features and prices are determined from best waterproof LED strip lights. If you want to know about the price and other information, sure be check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Godram Outdoor LED Strip Lights. Transform your outdoor space with the Godram Outdoor LED Strip Lights. The 66 feet strip is IP65 waterproof, making it safe to use outside, and has multiple mode functions including music sync, mic mode, and timer function. You can easily adjust the brightness and color changing capabilities through the app or RF remote control. The mic and music functions allow you to sing or speak through the microphone, and watch the lights change color and pulse along with the beat of your favorite music. With smart timing on-off mode, you can set the lights to turn off or on automatically, saving energy and time. The app group management feature allows you to control multiple lights and create different groups. The low voltage and low heat design make it safe for everyone to use. Plus, it comes with a full set of accessories for easy installation and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like: IP65 waterproof for safe outdoor use. Multiple modes for music sync, mic mode, and timer function. App and RF remote control for easy adjustment. Smart timing on-off mode for energy saving. Low voltage and low heat design for safety. Number 2. Allod 100 Ford Outdoor LED Strip Lights. The Allod 100 Ford Outdoor LED Strip Lights is a waterproof music sync RGB IP65 outside LED light strip that is perfect for outdoor use in areas such as courtyards, roofs, and pool surfaces. It has multiple RGB colors that can be adjusted for brightness, and there are 29 dynamic modes that can be synchronized with your music and change with the rhythm to give you rave enjoyment. The lights are easy to install with fixing clips and screws, and come with an upgraded 44-key IR remote control and a 3-button switch for several control options. With the Lotus Lantern application, the RGB LED can be preset to turn on and off at specific times and set the color at the same time. The strip is cuttable, making it easy to adjust the length of each section to decorate your living room, kitchen, bar, bedroom, garage, and other places. If you encounter any problems during installation, the manufacturer offers quick customer service and a quality guarantee with a full refund available within 30 days for any quality issues. What we like: multiple RGB colors for adjustable brightness. 29 dynamic modes that synchronize with music for rave enjoyment. Easy installation with fixing clips and screws. Intelligent app timing and multiple control options with upgraded remote and 3-button switch. 100 feet length with cuttable DE design for decorating various areas of your home. Number 3. Daybetter LED Strip Lights. The Daybetter LED Strip Lights are a great addition to your indoor or outdoor space. With its waterproof design, you can use it in any location you desire. The strong adhesive makes it easy to install, and the 32.8 feet length can be cut to fit your desired space. The 44-key infrared remote allows you to easily control the color and brightness of the lights, making it perfect for parties, weddings, or any other occasion. Whether you want to decorate your living room, bedroom, kitchen, ceiling, back of TV, desk, stairs, or any other area, these color-changing lights will create a beautiful ambience. What we like: waterproof design for outdoor and indoor use. Strong adhesive for easy installation. 32.8 feet length can be cut to fit desired space. 44-key infrared remote allows for easy color and brightness control. Perfect for parties, weddings, or any other occasion to create a beautiful ambience. Number 4. Charkey Outdoor LED Strip Lights Waterproof. The Charkey waterproof LED strip lights are perfect for indoor and outdoor decoration. With 16 million color options, 6 dynamic modes, and a DE mode, you can easily create the perfect ambience for any occasion. The lights are dimmable and come with a 44-key IR remote control, which makes it easy to control the lighting. The LED lights are also IP65 waterproof, so you can use them outside without any worries. They are easy to install and come with excellent after-sales service. What we like: waterproof for outdoor use. 16 million color options. dimmable brightness, easy to install, excellent after-sales service. Number 5. Kimberly 100 feet 66 feet 33 feet waterproof LED light. The Kimberly 100 feet waterproof LED light strips are perfect for decorating your bedroom, garden, and swimming pool, providing a gorgeous and rich decoration atmosphere for your party. Its IP65 waterproof feature makes it suitable for use indoors and outdoors. With all certified power adapter, 12V low voltage, and 3A high current, it provides high brightness while being safe to use. The controller comes with a sensitive microphone system that can detect surrounding music and sounds, and the light strip can change color and brightness with these music beats. You can control the LED strip lights using Bluetooth app, remote control, and power controller. With the app, you can choose from 16 million colors, multiple scene modes, timing, music, and other functions, making your life colorful. What we like: waterproof design for indoor and outdoor use. All certified power adapter for high brightness and safe use. Syncs with music to change color and brightness. Multiple control methods including Bluetooth app, 16 million color options and multiple scene modes. Number 6. Tendest 100 feet LED strip lights waterproof. Elevate your home decor with Tendest 100 feet waterproof Wi-Fi LED strip lights. These strip lights are IP65 waterproof, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, and can be controlled with a smart app or remote. With 16 million RGB color options, dynamic scene modes, and music synced capabilities, you can create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Easy installation with self-adhesive backing and securing clips. If you have any issues, the responsive after-sales team is happy to assist. What we like: IP65 waterproof level for outdoor and indoor use. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for easy voice control. 30 meters long for large areas, perfect for holiday parties and immersive vibes. 16 million RGB color options, dynamic scene modes, and music sync capabilities for the perfect ambience. Easy installation with self-adhesive backing and securing clips. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price by verifying the right product quality and what is the customer's demand. If you want to know product details or price, need any kind of more information, comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for my watching.